In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a Wix website with someone so they can edit it step by step. This is perfect if you're working with a designer, a developer, a content writer, or even a client who needs access to make changes without giving them full control of your Wix account. Wix makes collaboration really easy once you know where to look, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to invite collaborators safely and correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Then log into your Wix account using the email and password you normally use. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where all of your websites are managed. From the dashboard, make sure you've selected the correct website you want to share with someone. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the site name so you don't accidentally give access to the wrong one. Next, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will open the main settings area for your website. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Roles and Permissions. This is the section where Wix lets you control who can access your site and what they're allowed to do. Click on Roles and Permissions to continue. Now you'll see the collaboration area for your Wix site. From here, click on Manage Roles. This is where you can view existing collaborators, change permissions, or invite new people to help edit your website. Once you're on the Manage Roles page, look for the three dots menu, usually located near the top or next to the Roles section. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, click on Invite Collaborators. This is the option that allows you to share your Wix website with someone else. A pop-up will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to invite. Enter their email address carefully, making sure there are no typos. Then choose the role you want to assign them. Wix offers different permission levels, such as admin, website manager, website editor, or custom roles. If you only want them to edit content and design, choose a role that allows editing without full account control. This is important for keeping your site secure. After selecting the role, click Send Invite. The person you invited will receive an email from Wix with instructions on how to accept the collaboration request. Once they accept, they'll be able to access and edit your website based on the permissions you assigned. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Wix website with someone so they can edit it. If you ever need to change their permissions or remove access, you can come back to the Roles and Permissions section at any time and update things from there. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.